Hey guys, welcome back. In one of our previous videos, we discussed about Guidewire career path, right? I received a very good response to that video, and I'm receiving a lot of messages in Insta and a lot of comments on my YouTube videos asking where I need to start, how I can learn Guidewire, is this product an open source? If not, how I can get access to the product. So today I came before you to clear all these questions by this new video. In this video, I'm going to explain Guidewire Developer Roadmap for beginners. Before getting started, I want to clear a most common question everyone are asking. So the most common question is Guidewire really open source? Unfortunately, no. Then how you can learn it? There are only two ways. Either getting enrolled in our company related training courses, or you can enroll it to some private institutes. These are only two ways how you can learn Guidewire. Do you really think if you are not able to enroll in these private institutes or your company related training, it will stop you from learning Guidewire? I will say no. You may not completely learn Guidewire, but at least you can learn basics related to this Guidewire. I can simply say prerequisites. So you can easily learn if you get access to the product later also. Right? Basics are very important. Luckily, these basic related things are open source only. I want to explain all these details now. Without getting delayed, let's get started. The first step is you need to choose which module you want to learn. Actually, we have multiple modules in Guidewire, and in all these modules, three are very important. The first one is policy center, and the second one is claim center, and the third one is billing center. Even we have different modules such as contact managers or pricing centers, but mostly used modules are these three only. So you need to choose one of the module first, either claim center or policy center or billing center. And if you ask me what is a good one out of these three, I will say policies have so many openings. If you want to learn, I'll suggest policy first and claim next and billing last. Okay. And what is the second step? You need to understand different roles in this Guideware. You have different roles such as configuration or integration and integration. Sorry. If it's come to this configuration, it covers database related things, which we call as data model in Guideware, and you have UI related things, business rules, Gosu rules are covered in this configuration. If it's come to integration, things here covered are REST APIs, batch processes, workflows, message queues, kind of things. In simple words, for our understanding, I can simply say configuration is kind of UI developer role and integration is kind of back end developer role. But right, these days market is expecting much from every developer. So it's better to learn both configuration and integration. Then you will be in demand. Once you are done with this, the third step is we need to learn basics of PNC. We know, right? Even even you are good at technical stuff. If you are lacking this domain related experience, then how you can understand the futures or work you are getting? So this domain related knowledge is very important. Try to learn PNC fundamentals. Even in our channel, we have some videos. What is PNC insurance, basic terms in PNC insurance, kind of things, FNOL. And let's assume you are choosing claim center, then learn topics such as what really this claim center is. Even if you ask ChatGPT also, you will get all these topics. These are common things only. It's not only about Guidewire, even if it's Duck Creek or any other insurance tool, these are the terminologies we will be having there. So try to learn this PNC related knowledge. So I suggest few topics. If you are choosing claim or policy center, you can learn FNOL, claim lifecycle, check lifecycle, payment lifecycle, and different terminologies. If it's come to policy, what is policy life cycle, and terminologies in policy center, kind of things you can learn. Once you are done with this, you need to go to Gosu. What is this Gosu here? You know, Gosu is kind of basic language. You know, right? If it's come to Spring Boot, Java is the base language for it, and like that for Guidewire, Gosu is a base language. Luckily, this Gosu is open source. Where you can find it? Just open your favorite browser and search for Gosu. You can find the Gosu tutorials. If you are from a non-IT background, I'll suggest you to install this Gosu related software and try to learn basic steps like how to what are the classes, how to create classes, interfaces, basic for loop, if conditions, kind of things. Oops concepts. Try to master all these things. If you are from IT background, then it's fine. You already know it, right? Then just try to revise it. It's very important. This Gosu thing you need to take it seriously. And once you are done with Gosu, move towards SQL. SQL is very important for every Guidewire developer. So try to master SQL. I can say mostly concentrate on this joint topic. Okay. Once you are done with this SQL also, try to learn basic topics such as REST APIs, synchronization, and what are these batch processes, how all these things works. These concepts are same in all the technologies, guys, but how we use the way may change, like what are the things involved in the configuration of these things, but we should the concepts are same in every technology, so try to learn all these things. Now if you are done with all these things, you mastered basics or prerequisites of Guidewire. Once you got product access, then you can rock in. I hope you guys like my video, and you if you find it useful, please like and leave a comment. Then it will encourage me a lot to make such more videos. Thank you.